Hello, my name is Scott and welcome to today's tutorial where we will be going through how to access UK legislation online. For this tutorial we will be using the legislation.gov.uk website, and one of the great things about using this website is that it's a free resource for UK legislation, meaning we can access it without having to log in or pay to do so. First, we need to access the website. We can do this by going directly to it by typing in legislation.gov.uk or by searching for it via our preferred search engine. Once we have accessed the website, we are greeted with the following screen. From here, we can search for the Act we are looking for via its title, the year of the Act, or the number. The title can be thought of as basically its name. So for this example, we're going to look for the Human Rights Act of 1998. So in this title box, we can type in Human Rights Act. We can leave the year blank if we wish. And when we're searching, we can choose the type of legislation. So we can look for all UK legislation, or just, for example, primary, or maybe we want to look at secondary legislation or other options. For now, I will just leave it at all UK legislation. Then we click the search option. This will then pull up 20 results. The one we're interested in is the second one, which is the Human Rights Act 1998. Upon clicking on it, it takes us to the Act. What we can see here is we are now looking at the most latest available version of the Act. We can also choose to see the original as it was enacted, so this will mean that it doesn't include any updates or changes that have been made to the Act. And we can also look at other options here for openings, whether we want to open the whole Act up or just specific schedules or sections. And normally under more resources, you'll find the original version of the Act. Bear in mind, if you download this one, this will not be a PDF of the most up-to-date version, it will be the original Act itself. From the top along here, we have the option of moving to plain view, which cuts out and removes some of the content to make it easier to see. And then we have print options where we can decide to get, for example, a table of contents of the Act, or we can download the whole Act or specific parts of the Act as a PDF to print out. Now let's imagine that we were interested specifically in the interpretation of convention rights. Well, this can be found in section 2 of the Act. So if we now move over here and click on this, we will then be able to drill down into specific information about the legislation itself. And you can see that is now being displayed here. And that is how we can use legislation.gov.uk to search for UK legislation and find specific sections we need for our research or studies. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions on how to search for legislation, please feel free to add them to the comment section below and I will try to respond to them. I hope you found this tutorial useful and I look forward to seeing you all again in the next one.